Here in this problem, we need to obtain the value of the given expression. Here, 1, omega and omega squared, these are the cube roots of unity. Now, before beginning, let's state the facts, few of the facts, that if 1 omega and omega squared, these are cube roots of unity, then it's going to follow that 1 plus omega squared, the sum is always equals to 0. And if we take the product, that means we have 1 multiplied to omega squared, which gives us omega cube. This value is going to be equals to 1. So we'll use this fact. So let's come to our problem. Here we have 1 minus omega plus omega squared. Now what we want to do, we want to write it in terms of the sum of the roots. So that means we have negative omega. What we'll do, we'll have 1 plus omega squared, and we'll subtract 2 omega from it. So that omega minus 2 omega becomes negative omega. Similarly, for the second one, so here we have 1 plus omega minus omega squared, but we'll make it positive omega squared, and we'll subtract 2 omega squared from it. Now, what we can do, we can replace 1 plus omega squared, the sum of the roots, with 0. So that leaves us with negative 2 omega multiplied to negative 2 omega squared. Right. Now let's multiply it. Multiplying gives 4 times omega squared will give us omega cubed. And we know that omega cube, which is the multiplication of the roots or the product of the roots, that value is always equals to 1. So our final result will be equals to 1. So this is the value of the given expression.